Hello everyone, welcome to the Health channel. Today we are going to talk about lemons. In a part of this video, I want to tell you interesting things that can be done with lemon. Please stay with us until the end of the video. Lime or lemon is a citrus fruit. Although lemon peel and flesh are used especially in cooking, but lemons are mostly ground because of their water. Lemons contain large amounts of citric acid, which causes their sour taste. In fact, lemon comes from a shrub that reaches up to 4 meters in height and can only be cultivated in tropical areas, Mediterranean climate. Its branches are long and its leaves are broad, dark green and oval. Its flowers are white from the inside and purple from the outside, and very fragrant. The flowering of this plant is practically continuous. Lemon is the only tree that almost always has fruits, flowers and leaves. Its fruit is oval, which is more juicy in late autumn and early winter. Among its medicinal uses, it can be said to treat rheumatism, gout, flatulence, jaundice, obesity, cold, corrosion, inflammation, malaria are used. It is also effective locally in removing inflammation of the mouth and tongue, brittle nails, and sunburn. Also, lemon essential oil extracted from its skin has antibacterial, antiseptic, and blood pressure lowering properties. Lemon is used in traditional Indian medicine to treat heartburn. Oral drops obtained from the oil of this plant reduce blood pressure and improve depression. Limonene in lemon have the effect of widening blood vessels, and in this way they also cause blood pressure reduction. Oxidative change LDL by free radicals is an important early event in the pathogenesis of atherosclerosis. Lemon essential oil has antioxidant activity with compounds such as citral and limonene. Therefore, it prevents the formation of plaque in the walls of blood vessels and, as a result, the occurrence of cardiovascular diseases and blood pressure. In addition, the analysis of the amount of neurotransmitters in different brain areas has shown that lemon essential oil probably exerts its antidepressant activity by changing dopaminergic systems. It is also very valuable from the point of view of nutrition, so that it is recommended to add a few drops of lemon in addition to seasonings and faulty meats due to the ease of digestion. Increases saliva the mouth because saliva has an antiseptic and decomposing effect and destroys oral microbes. Also, lemon is one of the cooling agents in summer and is usually prepared as a syrup. It is also useful for insect bites. One of the interesting tips and things that can be done with lemon is to divide the lemon into 2 parts. Use it to clean copper dishes, silver objects, white marble stones, and wicker chairs, and apply it on the object and then rinse it off. If you apply lemon juice to the skin every morning with the help of a piece of cotton, it is mostly effective to lighten the color and strengthen and soothe it. It can also be used to harden nails and soften hands. If lemon peel is rubbed on teeth, it will make it whiter. It is also useful for removing the smell of the part of the foot that is in shoes. India leads the world with 17% of the total lemon production, followed by Mexico with 13.6% and China with 12.6%. Some properties of lemon, this useful fruit. Number 1. Improve the health of the digestive system. Lemon has 10% carbohydrates, which are in the form of soluble fiber and simple sugars. Its main fiber is pectin, and it brings many benefits. Intestinal health and digestion of sugars and starches are provided by this fiber. Number 2. Prevent scurvy. Lack of enough vitamin C causes fatigue, lethargy, joint pain, and other things. In fact, there are symptoms of scurvy. Since vitamin C also helps to absorb iron, its absence will cause iron deficiency in the body, and the person will suffer from anemia. Number 3. Lemon for heart health and blood pressure reduction. As we said, this fruit contains 30 mg of vitamin C, which provides 51% of the daily intake. However, lemon juice alone is not enough, and the fruit itself and its pulps should also be consumed. Another benefit that is related to the heart and blood vessels can be mentioned its effect on blood pressure. Continuing to walk daily and consuming lemons lowers the blood pressure level. Number 4. Lemon and the fight against kidney stones. There is more citric acid in lemon than any other fruit, and it is famous for this reason. This substance prevents the formation of kidney stones and may even crush and decompose small stones. So absorb enough citrate by drinking lemon juice, and it will prevent or remove your kidney stones. Number 5. Help control weight. The issue of reducing or controlling weight is one of the most important issues in today's world, especially since most jobs do not provide enough mobility for people. Since ancient times, sour lemon has been a fruit that has been introduced for weight loss. Therefore, you can add a little lemon juice to it to enjoy drinking water more. Number 6. Great effect for the skin. Lemon juice is known as a natural antiseptic. It has been used in many medicinal and cosmetic compounds, healing for sunburn and insect bites, as well as treating acne and eczema, and some properties of lemon for the skin. Among other properties of lemon, it can be mentioned as an anti-aging drug and a wrinkle remover. Number 7. Lemon and people with asthma. Vitamin C is useful in people who suffer from bronchial such situation from occurring by consuming lemon. Vitamin C and other nutrients daily, you can reduce such attacks. Number 8. Oral care. In general, the citric acid in lemons causes the loss of tooth enamel, but the combination of water and lemon in the right proportion, in addition to cooling and swelling the mouth, also reduces pain and swelling. Some people even use lemon peel to freshen their mouth and remove plaque from their teeth. Number 9. Properties of lemon peel. Lemon peel helps to remove wrinkles and aging spots on the skin. Some people also dry it and use it as lemon tea. For hot summer days, a sour drink can be very enjoyable because it lowers the body temperature and prevents heat stroke. One of the side effects of sour lemons is the exacerbation of stomach ulcers. Among the other harms of lemons, burning, frequent urination, worsening of genetic disorder, accumulation of iron, and worsening of nausea or vomiting. At the end of this video, I hope you will like the points I am saying. If this information was useful for you, please subscribe the channel, and if you have any questions about lemons, ask in the comments section. Stay healthy with us always. Have a good day.